Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. To continue with our crochet stitch pattern series, I am going to make a shell pattern today, and you can make use of this pattern in a variety of your crochet project. This is so easy to make, so let's get started. So this crochet stitch pattern is a multiple of 6 plus 1 for our foundation chain. So make your foundation chain of multiple of 6 and add 1 at the end. So I have made my foundation chain and I added 1 chain at the end. To start row 1, 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip 2 chains, and on the third one, make 5 double crochets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, we're going to skip 2 chains and make 1 single crochet on the third chain. So that will be our repeat for our first row, skipping 2 chains and make our 5 double crochets. Skip 2 chains and 1 single crochet on the next chain. So now we have 2 remaining chains left. On the last chain, we're going to make 1 single crochet. So we have made our first row. Moving up, chain 3. Our chain 3 will count as our first double crochet for the second row, and make 2 double crochets on the same chain. We're going to skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and on the next one we're going to make 1 single crochet. Skip 2 chains again and make 5 double crochets on the next chain. So we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to skip these 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we're going to make 1 single crochet on the next chain. So keep repeating for the second row. Skip 2 chains, and on the next chain, make 5 double crochets. Skipping 2 chains again, and on the next make 1 single crochet, skipping 2 chains and then 5 double crochets. skip 2 chains and 1 single crochet on the next one. And on our last chain, we're going to skip 2 chains, and on the last, we're going to make 3 double crochets. These 3 double crochets we made on the last chain will mirror our starting chain, chain 3 and 2 double crochets on the same chain. So now we are done with row 2. For row 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet on the first chain, so that we're going to skip 2 chains and 1 double crochet on the next one, 2 doubles for a total of 5 double crochets. So we are just repeating row 1. Again, skip 2 and single crochet, skip 2 and 5 double crochets. So this will be the repeat for your entire project. Skip 2, single crochet, just alternating your 5 double crochets and a single crochet, skipping 2 stitches. And as I have said, you can make use of this pattern in most of your crochet projects. So 5 double crochets, skip 2 and single crochet. Again, skip 2 and 5 double crochets. And on the last one, we're going to make 1 single crochet. So just keep repeating, increasing until you reach your size, your desired size, depending on your project, what you're doing. So again, after the single crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochets, skip 2, 1 single crochet, and you just have to repeat rows 1 and 2 until you finish your project. So thank you again for joining me today. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.